For years we feared a future where AI would wipe out jobs and leave people behind. The idea of machines replacing humans dominated headlines and dinner table conversations alike, casting a long shadow over the world of work. The job apocalypse narrative was everywhere, fueling anxiety and shaping business decisions. Companies braced for mass layoffs, while workers worried about their livelihoods and the security of their families. But today, the real crisis isn't too many workers. It's not enough. Offices sit half empty, not because of automation, but because there simply aren't enough people to fill the seats. Companies are scrambling to find qualified people, not replace them. The talent shortage is forcing organizations to rethink their strategies and invest more in attracting and retaining employees. The real challenge is building teams that can work alongside AI, not be replaced by it. Success now means blending human creativity with the power of intelligent machines. We assumed technology would outpace a steady workforce, but we missed the shrinking pool of available talent. Birth rates are falling, populations are aging, and fewer people are entering the workforce each year. Demographic shifts and changing expectations have made skilled workers more scarce than ever. The competition for talent is fierce, and organizations must adapt to survive. The most valuable resource in the 2030s won't be AI, it'll be adaptable, creative people. Those who can learn, grow, and collaborate with technology will shape the future of work. Success now depends on rethinking how we combine human talent and technology. It's about creating workplaces where people and AI amplify each other's strengths. Understanding this shift is the first step for any leader navigating the decade ahead. The future belongs to those who can bridge the gap between innovation and human potential. So, where did all the workers go? It's a mix of powerful trends. Baby boomers are retiring en masse, taking decades of expertise with them. The pandemic changed what people want from work. Flexibility is now a must, not a perk. Many won't return to rigid office jobs or long commutes. Caregiving demands, especially for women, are pulling millions out of the workforce. Health issues, including long COVID, have sidelined even more. The U.S. labor force participation rate is at a historic low. This isn't a temporary blip. It's a new, smaller, more selective workforce. Companies must adapt to this structural reality. Here's the twist. AI isn't replacing people. In fact, the rise of advanced technology is creating new opportunities for workers everywhere. Rather than making jobs obsolete, it's increasing demand for skilled workers who can adapt, learn, and work alongside these new tools. Companies adopting AI are hiring more, not less, for roles that can partner with technology. Think data analysts, AI trainers, and creative problem solvers. AI is a powerful tool, but it needs human judgment, creativity, and context to truly make an impact. Machines can process data, but only people can interpret it in meaningful ways. For real value, AI needs a human co-pilot to guide, verify, and integrate its output into real-world decisions. This partnership is what drives innovation forward. Ford learned this the hard way. After layoffs, they had to rehire engineers to drive innovation. Technology alone wasn't enough to keep them competitive. Healthcare faces a worker shortage despite new AI tools, because machines can't provide empathy or critical judgment. Patients still need the human touch. In education, AI can help with lesson plans, but not with inspiring students or understanding their unique needs. Teachers remain irreplaceable. Across industries, AI elevates the importance of human skills, like communication, leadership, and adaptability, making people more valuable than ever. The future isn't about replacing people, it's about empowering them to achieve more with the help of technology. Human talent, paired with AI, is the real competitive edge. Together, they're shaping a future where technology and people thrive side by side. Many organizations still act like it's 2010, clinging to outdated strategies for a world of labor surplus. Forcing employees back to the office or treating talent as replaceable is a costly mistake. Inflexible policies drive away top performers and shrink the talent pool. Reactive hiring and neglecting workforce planning lead to constant churn and high costs. Replacing skilled professionals is expensive and drains productivity. Understaffed hospitals, factories, and schools suffer. And so does society. Burnout and turnover create a vicious cycle. The old playbook isn't just inefficient, it's destructive. To thrive, companies must adapt to the new reality of talent scarcity. So, what's the new playbook for building a future where both people and technology thrive together? It's about people and technology working hand in hand, not just side by side. The most successful organizations are those that blend human creativity with digital innovation. Embrace flexibility. Remote and hybrid work expands your talent pool globally, letting you tap into skills and perspectives from anywhere in the world. Companies like Dropbox have thrived by meeting talent where it is, adapting their culture and processes to support distributed teams. Invest in proactive workforce planning and upskilling, not just hiring for today's needs. Prepare your people for tomorrow's challenges by giving them the tools to grow. AT&T retrained thousands for future roles, showing the power of internal development and the value of nurturing talent from within. Create pathways for caregivers and non-traditional candidates to join and grow. When you remove barriers, you unlock new sources of innovation and loyalty. Retention is the new recruitment. Focus on career growth, culture, and great managers. People stay where they feel valued and see a future. Use AI to make work better, not just cheaper. Boost productivity, close skill gaps, and free up time for more meaningful work. Studies show AI can raise productivity, especially for less experienced workers, helping them learn faster and contribute more. The real challenge isn't AI taking jobs, it's finding and keeping great people who can adapt and grow alongside technology. The best companies will empower people with technology, not engineer them out. They'll build cultures where tech amplifies human strengths. People, augmented by AI, are the ultimate competitive advantage and the key to a truly human-centered, tech-powered future.